The integral is the integral given from integration 0 to 4 integration root x to 2 of 1 upon 1 plus y cube dy by or dy dx. Now, as of now, order of integration is dy dx with limit x tends to 0, 4 and y tends to root x, 2. Now reversing the order of integration to evaluate. So we are reversing the order of integration from dy by dx to dx dy with limit x tends to 0, y square and y tends to 2, 4. After that, I is equals to 2 to 4 and second integration 0 to y square 1 upon 1 plus y cube dx dy. Now further solving it from range 2 to 4 of 1 upon 1 plus y square or y cube x tends to 0 to y square dy. Moving further, here after simplifying the above equation we are getting one plus y cube y square dy. For further solution, substitute 1 plus y cube is equals to t. We are letting 1 plus y cube is equals to t. So here y square dy is equals to dt by 3. I is equals to 1 upon 3 integrating from 2 to 4 of 1 by t dt. Further solving it, we are heading towards the solution where I is equals to 1 upon 3 logarithmic value of mod t and the range will be 2 to 4 upper limit minus lower limit. We are applying this here. 1 upon 3 is logarithmic value of mod 1 plus y cube. We are substituting value of t here and the range will be 2 to 4. Now Now 1 upon 3 logarithmic value 65 mod minus logarithmic value mod 9 is equals to 1 upon 3 logarithmic value 65 upon 9. Here is the solution of the given function, and the diagram will, here is our y-axis, this is our x-axis, and a line will go from one unit towards the x-axis and the one from y-axis, and a curve will go by bisecting this region of x and junction of xy, and this is our shaded part. So here is the diagram of the given function.